Okay, quick tip here. I was on Reddit earlier today and I was looking here at an article about DNA matching. And as with most times on Reddit, I find something to relate to or argue. I wanted to go search for this company, GED Match, and find out about them. And I was going to do my usual where I say search for, and it opens up another tab, and I can do all that, find the information I need. Highlight what you want to hear, copy it, paste it, go back here and paste it in. But just as I clicked on it, I noticed another entry, another feature I didn't realize. So right now it's only available in the development version of Edge Chromium, so you may have to wait a while before it's available. But there's a search in the RightPane. And look at that. When you do that, you can search over here, scroll up and down all the different articles, and get more information about the subject matter that you're viewing in your left pane. And as you might expect, you can want to make a reply to somebody over here. I'll use this one. I don't really want to reply to it. It's just that I'm using it for an example. So I clear it out. I come over here and I drag and highlight some text over here. Now don't do the right-click copy and paste. It won't work. But if you do Control-C and you come back over here, you'll see that nice cleanly paste into whatever entry box that you're using on that side. And by the way, maybe the article you brought up isn't viewable in the RightPane that easy. If you go to the bottom of the RightPane, you'll see that it says open a new tab. You just simply click on that and boom, it moves you over to a full tab where you can just scroll up and down. Now, as you can see, I close a tab and the RightPane is gone. But let's say you're still in the RightPane mode. You're looking at it like this and you want to get rid of it. You don't have to open up a new tab and then close it. You just have to scroll all the way to the top of the page and click on the X and you're back to your full page and you can go back to Reddit and troll people to your heart's content. Hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. And if you want to get more, just subscribe to Old Guy Geek. You can also follow me at Facebook or Twitter. The links to those are in the description of this video.